Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add images to shapes here in Penpot. Okay, so first up, open up a file. So for example, this file right here, just double click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, here we have our canvas, okay? This white background. So what you'll do is go ahead and select a shape. For example, we have here circle and rectangle. So I'm just going to go ahead and use circle. Then I'm going to draw a circle right here. Maybe this big. And then once done, add in your image. Okay, it could be under assets or just drag and drop it from your computer. Okay, I'm going to show you the drag and drop option. Let's say, for example, this photo right here, I'm going to drag and drop. Okay, wait for it. As it says here, it's loading the image. Now, once that's done, you want to go ahead and move the photo. Okay, on top of the shape. And as you can see here, as you might have noticed, okay, we have the asterisk. Well, that means, okay, that it's centered. All right. So if you want to make the photo smaller like that, okay, you go ahead and do so. And once that's done, select both the shape and the image. And as you can see here, we have the background, which is a circle, and the section that it will cut. Okay, so right click on it, hit on group. Okay, once grouped, right click on it again and just hit on mask. There you go. That is how you add images to shapes here in Penpot. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.